Hello, everybody. We're going to jump into our student activity book, okay? So go to page 27. It's called How Many Toy Cars? You should see it on my screen right now. Okay, we're going to work on solving and showing our work in story problems. Miss Helvey's going to read you the story. You're going to write an equation, show your work, as in show me a picture, show me a number line, show me a tensor ring, however you need to solve it, you're going to show. If you just do this, 1 + 1 = 2. Got it, Miss Helvey, done. Is that showing your work? No. Say it's a problem about circles. You're going to draw a circle, draw another circle. Okay? Circle, circle. That's showing your work. Okay? These problems are going to be way harder than 1 + 1. You ready? So Kim had 7 toy cars. I'm going to write that number down first. 7 toy cars. Sam gave Kim 6 toy cars. I'm going to write that number down. How many cars does Kim have now? Kim had 7 toy cars. Sam gave Kim 6 toy cars. So how many cars does Kim have now? That's a hard one, guys. All right, so I wrote my equation. Now I'm going to draw a picture so I can figure out how many cars she has now. Okay, you do the same. And my cars are not going to be really pretty cars. You may not even know it's a car, but Miss Helvey's not an artist. I'm a first grade teacher, okay? You guys may have beautiful cars. And that's okay too. I love to see all the different artwork that my students make. Okay. Is everyone done drawing their picture? Whew, that was a lot. So I'm going to show you mine, and you show me yours. You ready? Don't laugh at my cars. Okay? So, here we go. I heard that Kim had 7 toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then Sam gave her 6. He gave Kim 6 more cars. So I drew 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now I've got to count all of them to figure out what the answer is. How many cars does Kim have now? So I've got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Does everyone have that? Give me a thumbs up. Okay? So you should have the equation and a picture. Okay? All right, now let's go on to page 28. Okay? We're going to go to the next page, 28. So flip that sheet over. It should have the same picture, but it's a different story problem. Are you ready? All right. Don't forget to show your work. Kim had 7 toy cars. 7 toy cars. Sam gave Kim 7 toy cars. So it's just like the last one, but that second number changed. So Kim had 7 toy cars, and Sam gave Kim 7 more. I'm going to draw my picture now. You too. You draw your picture. I'm just going to do circles because my cars were they weren't very good. All right. So I've drawn my circles that represent the cars. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Anyone have that? Now your strategy may be different than Miss Helvey's. You may have used a number line. You may have used 2 tens frames. Whatever you used, tell somebody. Tell somebody how you figured out what 7 + 7 is. Okay? All right. Good job today.